The best way to stop the spread is to celebrate with those who live in your household. But if you are getting together with family and friends, the CDC says you should, of course, wear your masks, keep your distance, and try to be outside. If your family is hosting Thanksgiving, health experts say you need to have a plan. Gabe Chernus is a first-year student at ASU. He's flying home to North Carolina for the holidays and says he's taking precautions to keep his family safe.
My brother is a St. Jude's patient, and my dad has Crohn's disease, so they are both severely immunocompromised. And I understand what it can do to a person. We have lost friends and family to the virus.
He'll get tested for COVID and antibodies before his flight and plans to quarantine for 14 days after he arrives.
We do what we can, and I'll be locked inside, and my poor dogs will be scratching at the door wanting to see me.
Arizona's former top health director Will Humble says families in Arizona should follow a strict plan.
Whoever's going to host Thanksgiving needs to have a rule, and the rule is you have to get tested before you come.
Humble says visitors should get tested before traveling and then a few days after arriving in Arizona.
If the traveling family and the host family all get tested within a few days of Thanksgiving or whenever the people are going to arrive, you've done a great service to managing the risk with your family.
Health experts have warned that the virus can easily spread among people staying under one roof, even if you host Thanksgiving dinner outside.
Look at what happened at Memorial Day in Arizona. That's what set us off into exponential growth. And Thanksgiving is Memorial Day on ultimate steroids. I mean, think about what's happening. There's people coming from all different places throughout the country that are going to be getting together.
The CDC this week released ways to make the celebration safer. Limit the number of guests. Limit the number of people where the food is being prepared. Have guests bring their own food and drink. If sharing food, use single-use options like plastic plates and utensils. Clean and disinfect surfaces and items between use. ADHS Director Dr. Kara Chris said out-of-town visitors here for the winter should quarantine for 14 days. But Humble says while that'd be ideal, it's not practical.
There is no time to show up and can't quarantine for 14 days. If people are going to arrive, they're going to arrive, and no one is going to quarantine, and houses are going to be filled with family members in close quarters.
For Chernus, he may miss out on Thanksgiving, but he says it's worth it.
It's hard for us, but we understand what we're doing and why we're doing it.
COVID tests are widely available. The ASU saliva test gives back results in 48 hours or less. There's testing sites all over the valley, but you do have to register online. In Phoenix, I'm Claudia Rupsich, ABC 15 Arizona.